First snow, first winter of my life. I was told it was the height of me. The first dance, well, the first one that counted, felt like my blood was built from crackling lights. All this ancient wildness that we don't understand. The first sound of a heartbeat to riots roaring on. This is not the love you've had before. This is something else. This is something else. This is not the same as other days. This is something else. This is something else. It shouldn't need to be so fucking hard. This is life on Earth. It's just life on Earth. It doesn't need to be the end of you or me. This is life on Earth. It's just life on Earth. The first light on the silent shore, just as ships at anchor, me and you. The way home, this is always the way home. So you can rip that map to shreds, my dear. But all we ever wanted, see miles and miles from here. And the first days in a strange new land, we could be settled. This is not the love you've had before. This is something else. This is something else. This is not the same as other days. This is something else. This is something else. It shouldn't need to be so fucking hard. This is life on Earth. It's just